Hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to introduce one new chapter. Okay, before going to introduce that name of the chapter, just I want to give the some introduction. So, based on the introduction, you can understand which chapter I am going to explain. Let us see. Rama and Raju are playing with numbers. Okay, Raju tells Rama, I think of a number. If I double the number and take 5 away from that, okay, if I will take 5 away from that number, double of number, then I get 45 is the answer. Okay, then can you tell the number? Okay, can you tell the number? Raju asked Rama. Okay, now Rama, how she will tell the answer? Once see, let us see how Rama told the answer. Let the number be x. Okay, that unknown number be x, and if you do the double, okay, double of it means 2 into x, 2x, and take away in the sense we need to do the subtraction. Take away 5 from that 2x, double of x. Okay, then 2x minus 5 if you do, then what is that answer? 45. Okay, now if you want to find out, then take the transpose. Minus 5 will become plus 5. 2x is equal to 45 plus 5, 50. X is equal to 50 by 2 in the sense 25. Why? Because if you do the division, okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 1 is the remainder. Carry down 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay, if you do the division, you will get x is 25. Okay, that the number is 25, told Rama. Okay, very simple. Instead of explaining, if I will write like this, means you can easily understand. That's what I wrote in the paper, that introduction also. Simply by saying means you simply will listen and you will forget. No, that's what if I will write on the paper, if you read also you can understand easily. Okay, so answer is 25. Okay, now you already learn in 7th class and 6th class also 2x minus 5 is equal to 45. This is a example of a simple equation. Yes or no? Already you know in 6th and 7th simple equations chapters also there, no? So 2x minus 5 is equal to 45. That is the one of the example of the simple equation. In that simple equation you have LHS and you have RHS. In the sense, for equal symbol, whatever it is there left side, that is left hand side LHS. Whatever right side number is there, that is the RHS, right hand side. In this video already you know what I am going to explain. Okay, in this video I am going to explain linear equation in one variable. Why we are calling one variable means we should use only one variable. If there suppose that if you take x means x is one variable. Okay, so now I am going to explain that new chapter, linear equation in one variable. Okay, that is chapter number 2 in 8th class maths. Okay, so linear equation, actually what is linear equation? First you should know the definition. Okay, if the degree of an equation is 1, then that equation is called linear equation in one variable. Okay, example 2x minus 5 is equal to 45. Now here one more example, 5x plus 1 is equal to 4. Which of the following are linear equations? How to find out? These are the examples of the linear equation. Why? Because here degree is 1. For variable x is power is 1. So we can call linear equation. And one variable means here only we are using one variable, that is x. So we can call this is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is the definition and example. Now one question will come, model question in this chapter. Okay, which of the following are linear equations? They will ask like this. Okay, some equations they will give and they will ask which of the following are linear equations. Suppose I took 3 equations, not linear equations. I took 3 equations. From these 3 equations, which is linear equation in one variable, we need to find out. Let us see, 4x plus 6 is equal to 80. Yes, x power 1 means variable power 1 is there. So that is a linear equation, and only x, variable only x is there. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Now go for second equation, 4x minus 5y is equal to 9. Here degree 1 power 1 for variable x, but here it is having two variables x and y, so it is not a linear equation in one variable. Now here also it is not a linear equation in one variable. Why? Because already while seeing that only we can say these two variables are there and power also 2 is there. Okay, so these two are not linear equations in one variable. This is a linear equation in one variable. Like this we can find out the linear equation in one variable from the given equations. Okay, next one more question, how to solve linear equation in one variable. How we can solve? Okay, they will give one linear equation in one variable and they will ask how to solve the linear equation. How to solve? While solving the linear equation in one variable, these terms are very important. Okay, transposing terms. Okay, transpose of addition is subtraction, transpose of subtraction is addition, transpose of multiplication is division, transpose of division is multiplication. These four are very important, okay, while solving this linear equation. Now example, how to solve, I took here one example. 4x plus 6 is equal to 8. 4x is equals to, transpose of plus 6 will becomes minus 6. Okay, 4x is equal to 8 minus 6, 2. So x is equals to 2 by transpose of, here 4 and x, in between you have multiplication. Okay, so transpose of multiplication will give us division. So 2 by 4. Now do the cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so x is equal to 1. Like this you can solve the linear equation. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.